What's up guys? Kumusta kayo? It's me again, Joseph Kate. So for today's video guys, let's talk about PNB Credit Card Cash Advance. Pag-uusapan natin guys kung magkano nga ba yung pwede nyong i-cash advance sa PNB Credit Card ninyo. At the same time, paano nga ba mag-request ng cash advance PIN sa PNB Credit Card. Kasi before kayo makapag-cash advance sa PNB Credit Card ninyo, kailangan muna ng cash advance PIN na tinatawag. Pag-uusapan natin kung paano nga ba mag-request ng PNB Credit Card Cash Advance PIN. At the same time, magkano nga ba yung interest rates at saka kung magkano yung availment fee per transaction. And of course, kung paano nga ba ma-avail yung cash advance sa PNB Credit Card. Pero bago yun, nais mo na kitang imbitahan na mag-subscribe sa YouTube channel ko kung bago ka pa lang kasi marami pa po akong isi-share ng mga tutorials, knowledge, and experience of mine in the future. Kaya naman huwag niyong kalimutan mag-subscribe para updated kayo lagi sa mga vlogs na i-upload ko. Yun lang po at sobrang maraming salamat po. So as you can see guys, here, PNB credit card holders can make cash advances at ATMs using their PIN. With fees of 200 pesos for peso cards or 3 to 4 US dollar for dollar accounts. Per transaction, a service fee of 5% of the withdrawn amount is applied. So ito guys, para makapag-cash advance kayo sa PNB credit card ninyo, kailangan nyo yung cash advance PIN. Pag-uusapan din natin kung paano mag-request nun. At saka, yung per transaction niya, yung availment fee is 200 pesos for peso cards. Ngayon, kung dollar naman yung account nyo sa PNB, 3 to 4 US dollar yung magiging transaction amount or fee per transaction. Plus, a service fee of 5% withdrawn amount is applied. So, maliban guys sa 200 pesos na dinededuct or yung service charge, may another 5% pa na service fee. Ano ibig sabihin nito? Kapag nag-cash advance kayo ng 10,000 pesos, so magkano yung 5% nung 10,000 pesos? It is around 500 pesos. So maliban sa 200 pesos plus 5%, so yung 10,000 nyo is 700 pesos yung magiging availment fee lahat-lahat. Kasi kasama na yung 5% na service fee doon. So, ito ngayon kung paano nga ba mag-request ng cash advance PIN sa PNB credit card para at least maging aware kayo. Step 1 is call customer service. Contact +632-8818-9818 and request a PIN for cash advances. So, kailangan nyo yung tawagan yung PNB customer service, guys. Inform them na kailangan nyo ng cash advance PIN. Make sure lang guys na alam nyo yung details ng account nyo, of course. Yung nakalink na mobile number, yung birthday ninyo, kasi magkakandak ng verification process si PNB Customer Service. Wait for delivery. The PIN will be delivered to your registered card delivery address. So nakasobre yan guys na darating sa inyo. The moment you requested it, doon yan i-deliver kung saan yung billing address ninyo sa PNB credit card, kung saan yung PNB delivery card address ninyo or yung billing address. Doon ipapadala yung mail or sobre. ATM withdrawal. You can withdraw cash from over 5,000 banknet and 600 PNB ATMs. Typically up to 30% of your credit limit. So magkano nga ba yung pwedeng ma-avail na cash advance sa PNB credit card ninyo? Depende siya kung magkano yung credit limit ng credit card ninyo sa PNB. Kasi up to 30% lang yung pwede nyong i-avail doon. Halimbawa, yung credit limit ng PNB credit card ninyo is 100,000 pesos. So yung magiging cash advance limit niya is 30,000 pesos. Kasi 30% siya. Ngayon, kung 300,000, 90,000 yun. Yung magiging 30% ng 300,000 is 90,000 pesos. Fees. A fee of 200 pesos per transaction applies for peso cards. So, since nasa Philippines naman kayo, expect nyo na more on peso yung account nyo sa PNB credit card. So, 200 pesos yung magiging availment fee niya per transaction. Plus, yung service charge na 5% of the total amount withdrawn. Tulad ng sabi ko kanina, kung magkano yung withdraw ninyo, 5% nyon, idadagdag doon as service fee. Yung 200 pesos, iba pa yon per transaction yun kahit magkano. Tapos, yung service fee naman na charge is 5%. Kung magkano yung withdraw ninyo, halimbawa, 5,000, so yung 5% nun is 250 pesos. Kung 10,000, 500 pesos. Ganon siya, guys. Interest. Cash advances incur interest charges immediately until the date of full payment. So, the moment na nag-withdraw ka ng cash advance sa PNB credit card ninyo, automatic yun, guys. Interest agad yun. At saka, magkano nga ba yung interest rate sa cash advance ni PNB credit card? 3% yun, guys. So, maliban doon sa per transaction na availment fee at saka yung service fee na 5%, may 3% pa kayong babayaran kung magkano yung kinash advance ninyo. Per month naman itong 3% na to. So, medyo marami-raming fees yung kailangan yung malaman kapag magka-cash advance kayo sa PNB credit card. Yung 3% na yun is every month yun magre-reflect sa statement of account ninyo hanggang sa ma-fully paid ninyo. Tapos yung 200 pesos, one time lang yun magre-reflect at saka yung 5%. Compared sa 3%, every month yun, halimbawa 10,000 yung kinash advance nyo. So hanggang sa matapos yung bayaran yun, every month magpapatong doon yung or mag-reflect doon yung 300 pesos sa statement of account ninyo sa PNB credit card ninyo. PIN, a personal identification number or PIN is required for ATM withdrawals. Of course, tulad ng sabi ko kanina, kapag balak nyo mag-cash advance sa PNB credit card ninyo, yung cash advance PIN is crucial siya or kailangan talaga. Kaya kailangan nyo muna mag-request sa PNB customer service at ipapadala yun doon sa registered billing address ninyo noong nag-apply kayo ng credit card sa PNB. At saka, yun. PNB card advances incur a fee of 200 pesos per transaction for peso cards and $3 to $4 for dollar cards. Yung finance charge niya or interest is generally 3% per month, tulad ng sabi ko kanina, calculated from the date of withdrawal until fully paid. So, ulitin ko lang, yung 200 pesos at saka yung 5% na service fee, one time lang yon. Tapos itong 3% na sinasabi, monthly ito magre-reflect sa statement of account ninyo sa PNB credit card ninyo. Kaya naman guys, dapat maging aware kayo sa fees and charges kapag balak nyo mag-cash advance sa PNB credit card ninyo para maiwasan ninyo yung pagkalubog sa utang. Tulad kanina, yung 200 pesos is iba pa yon at saka yung 5% plus yung 3% na ipapatong every month. Kaya naman medyo malaki-laki siya kapag naipon. Kaya naman kailangan nyo muna i-consider kung kakayanin nyo ba siya. Kung wala talaga kayong choice, so mag-avail kayo but make sure na mabayaran nyo para maiwasan nyo magkaroon ng problema yung credit records ninyo sa bangko. So I think that's all for now. So sana may na-share ako. Don't forget to subscribe for my videos. It's me again, Joseph Kate, that says, we don't have cash because we go for cashless transactions. Bye-bye!